Welcome to Rajeshwari Deals, where today we are diving into an in-depth review of the Panasonic 55-inch 4K Ultra HD Google TV, a feature-packed, smart, and highly affordable television that's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their entertainment setup with seamless streaming, vibrant picture quality, and a sleek design. So if you're on the hunt for a new smart TV that delivers both performance and value, make sure to stay tuned. This 55-inch Panasonic TV not only boasts stunning 4K resolution for crisp, detailed visuals but also features a sleek, modern design that fits beautifully into any room setup, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. And with the seamless integration of Google TV, it allows you to access all your favorite streaming apps and services with just a few clicks, making it incredibly user-friendly and versatile. So let's dive in to see the array of additional features this powerful device has to offer. When it comes to visuals, the Panasonic 4K UHD display truly excels, delivering stunning clarity and vibrant colors that make every scene come alive with lifelike realism. And thanks to its HDR support, you can expect an exceptional range of brightness and contrast, ensuring that whether you're immersing yourself in the latest blockbuster movies, playing fast-paced, high-resolution games, or even streaming your favorite shows, every single detail is rendered with impressive precision and depth, making each viewing experience more captivating than ever before. Sound quality is equally impressive, with Dolby Audio delivering a cinematic experience. Plus, it has a host of smart features, including Google Assistant for voice control, so you can easily find what you want to watch without lifting a finger. With Google TV, you get access to thousands of apps and personalized recommendations. The interface is smooth, making it easy to navigate and discover new content. And with Google Assistant built in, you can control your TV and even smart home devices with your voice. Users are loving the Panasonic 55-inch TV for its picture quality, sound, and ease of use. With a price of just $41,990, it's a great choice if you're looking for quality and affordability in one package. If you're interested in upgrading your entertainment setup, check out the Panasonic 55-inch 4K TV via the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and deals. Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.